How many in here are nurses, or planning to be nurse? Do we have anyone who's planning to be a nurse? You are? Or if you've taken a physiology class, you might know. What is somebody tell me what the all or nothing principle of muscle activation is. What's going on in the all or nothing principle of muscle activation? Do you remember? Does anyone know?
You're talking about when the muscles slide or the fibers slide past each other? What are you talking about? They're short.
Yeah. Give that a little more detail, because yes, you're exactly right. So explain, when you have a muscle, that at this, at the smallest part of it, what happens?
Well, they slide past each other completely. They don't go part of the way. They go all the way together. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, and
as soon as calcium is released and tropomyosin grabs onto those little filament heads, they just crawl across each other and then they release.
and they crawl across 100%, right? They're either all the way contracting or they're all the way not contracting, right? What activates that initially?
Well, our muscle system is a conscious act, so we consciously control that.
So what, at the cellular level, at the muscular, at that very, very small level, what is it that creates, that initially activates this?
The release of calcium.
Is there something prior to that?
ATP.
Is it, at some point, isn't there a nerve impulse that...
Oh, yeah, okay, so you're saying, yeah, nerve impulses release certain chemical signals, which then release other chemical signals, and then you get your calcium release, and then that causes the filaments to
slide together,
yeah.
right? Okay. Now that's a lot of, like, whoa, that's some serious physiology. The idea here is a muscle is either contracting or it's not, 100% or 0. Why is that important? Let's do this for just a second. I want you to take your thumb, and I want you to push in on your thigh pretty hard. Just push in kind of anywhere between here and here. Just push in pretty hard. Push it a little harder. Okay. Now, I want you to take your thumb or your finger, if it's easier, come up on your shoulder, cross over so you've got some leverage, and I want you to push in, find one of those knots, and I want you to push in with the same intensity on one of those muscles that is feeling hard. Push in hard. Okay, when you did that, did this hurt? Not very much. Did this hurt? So if we were to take this muscle, put it under a microscope, structurally, not what's happening as a physiological activity, but structurally, if we were to take this muscle and put them under 2 microscopes, would they basically look the same or different? They look exactly the same, or pretty close to the same. So why does this one hurt and this one doesn't? If they're the same, structurally they're the same muscle. Why does this one hurt when we press in on it?